Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this that was pretty cool, but I was starting to think about it. I had to do a lot of cutting. I'm going to eliminate a lot of the cutting with this one. Control D, alternate C. Okay, it's already, that's the problem with turning this item. You can see it's already at 30 degrees. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool. The Smart Fill tool creates a new object. And if we left click, right click, now you can see it's at 0. So we're going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 60 degrees, and we get that. So now I only have to cut 3 lines, but on the video I did the other day, I had to cut all these lines. So I'm just going to hold down the Alt key and get rid of those 3 lines. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Let's get rid of that. Let's nudge this out of the way twice. I'm going to nudge it back. So now I didn't have to cut all those lines like I did yesterday. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. Get the interactive fill tool, and we'll put a little darkness on this part, maybe even a little bit more on this time. Then we'll Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 60 degrees. And look at that. Same thing, less cutting. Then you can do like I did yesterday. Take the interactive fill tool on that one, change it to green, click on this one, change it to red or whatever color you want. Take this one, make it, purple is probably too close to red on that one, and then just keep clicking on and changing the color. We'll do one more and we're done. Now let's see if that little bit of extra black helped us. Pretty cool. But if you didn't watch part 1, I had to cut all these on every one of them. Then I started thinking last night, all you have to do is cut one and rotate. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.